So, part two. I only do these 3-minute videos because the attention span of humans is just super short. It's even less than 3 minutes, but I just can put these videos on all of my platforms and not have to worry about editing and cutting. I'm not an edit and cut it girl. This is what it is, and it's what it's going to be. So, part two to what I mentioned about your senses and how you can use these powerful tools to create a better version of yourself or an upgraded version of yourself in the experience that you want. So think of this in this current moment where you are currently. Take a look at yourself in this present moment while listening to this video. Everything up until this moment you have created. You have created, nobody else. So if you look at where you are presently and you created this, why do you not feel that you can create another version of you? This is the beauty of this life that we've been given, that you don't have to remain one way. It's okay to change. It's okay to change your identity. It's okay to rock this one day and not want to rock this the other day. That's what this life is all about. It's about variety. And the problem with some of us is that we have been really conditioned to live in a past that is just a memory, and then we take the memory with us into our future selves, which is why we're not able to speed up that alignment within ourselves because we're holding on to this dead weight. It no longer exists. It's a memory. Everything. And I'm sorry for the things that people have experienced in their lifetime, which has probably been tragic, but please also remember that that is a memory. That does not define who you are in this present moment or who you want to become in the future. So the more that you begin to be focused and train your imagination on a self that you dream of and that you want to experience, the quicker it's going to become. And the more that you begin to use your senses, which are tools to activate that future self, it's like a building block, right? I did this on my video the other day about how our life is really like a transformer. It can either just sit by itself here, stagnant, or as you begin to start feeding your imagination and your subconscious mind, it'll begin to transform and it'll begin to elevate into the space in which you desire. And the more that you do it, repetition is the mother of learning. And when I say repetition is the mother of learning, the more that you repeat, the more that you do, you train the subconscious to emit that and to create it for you. There's nothing for you to go out and get. Right? You have to align yourself first. Everybody chases a feeling. If you get a new car, you want a new girlfriend, you want a new boyfriend, if you want this house, it's the feeling. So why not feel that now instead of waiting until you get it?